Hidden uses of hydrogen peroxide that few people know about. 1. We've all dealt with those awful yellow stains caused by deodorant, but not anymore. Just apply hydrogen peroxide directly to the stain until it's soaked. Let it sit for 1 hour and the stains will be gone. 2. You should replace your toothbrush every 3 months, but between replacements, you can disinfect it by soaking it in hydrogen peroxide. Afterward, rinse it with water and it will be bacteria-free. 3. You can prepare an excellent mouthwash for a fraction of the cost of store-bought options. Simply mix half a cup of regular water with half a cup of hydrogen peroxide. Swish it in your mouth for 1 minute, then spit it out as usual. An added bonus: over time, you'll notice your teeth will look much brighter. 4. Grab a spray bottle, fill it with some hydrogen peroxide, and spray it generously on your vegetables and fruits. This will help disinfect them thoroughly. Rinse with regular water, and you're good to go. 5. If your bathroom tiles are dirty, hydrogen peroxide can help. Mix 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide with 2 tablespoons of baking soda, apply it to your tiles, and they'll look brand new. 6. Since your feet are in constant contact with the ground, they're exposed to a lot of bacteria. This often leads to fungal infections, cracked skin, and bad odor. Hydrogen peroxide is a great deodorizer for feet. It removes odor, clears up nail fungus, and treats athlete's foot, a condition that affects millions. Just fill a bucket with 1 liter of warm water, add 100 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide, and 100 milliliters of white vinegar. Soak both feet for 20 minutes. After a few days, you'll see the difference. If you want to know 3 genius ways how you can use your disposable razors and not throw them away, check out this video. Click here to watch.